Look at this beauty. Wow.
Her name is Strela, which means arrow.
Arrow. Rescued too?
Just not only like dogs, cats, no, not that type of animals. Mostly wild ones.
They're quiet, man.
Yeah, they're good. They're good.
Oh, look, you got goats
And now
over
you
there.
can see like a whole bunch of them.
You got a peacock. Was that a peacock?
Yeah, so peacock, yeah.
Tu su uglavnom sve mladenci. S tim što je jedna slepa.
Got a chicken in there too. We're at a sanctuary run by friends of Marco and Bonnie. All these different animals. You look at these fat ass pigs, man. Dang. Hey, pork chop. Listen to that. Damn. There's some goats over here too. I speak your language. Yeah? Somebody's getting new kicks, new Jordans going on there, man. This guy's like sleeping over here. Too much sun in your face, dude. Oh, there's another one back there too. Oh, there's two of them back there. We're down at the back of the property now. Beautiful mountains up in the distance there, but we got ponies. Well, got a donkey here, another one there with some goats, and then over here, just moving over, we got some couple ponies. They're just busy eating. I hope I don't disturb them and ruin their dinner. Hey, my little pony. It's just so peaceful, man. Damn, this reminds me of my village. Well, we didn't have horses, but it reminds me of my village in Trinidad. I think they realize I'm allergic to dogs, you know, because they keep coming everywhere I'm at. So I believe this is the horsey I will be going on. A little bit scared, but see what? I can handle my stories. This is the one Bonnie is going on. But first, we've got coffee waiting for us over there.
Oh, извините, да не съм показвала.
A, ima ga vrlo malo. Nadam se da neće da se udavi ovdje. Pazi, tu je veća rupa. Aj malo pomazi ga ili tako nešto. Ne. Pokreni ga tako, tu. Možeš na drugu stranu ili kako god. Tako. Rajna. Pojdi ga tamo da vidi. Rajna.
And here's a better view of the monastery that we saw earlier down in the valley. Making our way back to the farm now. Yeah, friends, we're here with
Miloš
and
and Dušan.
and they're the ones with the what is it called here, Bunny?
This is Zoo Planet Niš.
Soul Planet Niche. And what do you guys do over here? Maybe we can basically tell them the nitty-gritty of what you do.
Recite nam šta radite ovdje, čime se bavi društvo.
Zoo Planet bavi se zaštitom divljih životinja,
Zoo Planet protects wild animals,
a pored toga i edukacijom dece o pravilnom ophođenju prema životinjama.
and they also educate kids how to treat animals.
Okay, is there a charge if people want to come and participate here?
Da li naplaćujete nešto ljudima koji žele da učestvuju ovdje?
Ne, mi smo otvoreni za posetioce i sve ljude koji vole prirodu i životinje da dođu kod nas, ulaz je besplatan.
There is no any fee, entrance fee. Everything is free, so they can just come, spend some time with animals.
A finansiramo se uz pomoć donacija, znači svi koji dođu, postoje donatorske kutije u našem zoo kutku i svi koji žele mogu da ostave dobrovoljni prilog, donaciju, šta god žele.
The only financial source are just donations, so they have their donation box, so any visitor who comes here can leave some donations to them, and that's going to help them a lot.
Okay, and when people come here, they can donate, but can people send you money via PayPal or via the mail or anything like that?
Da li ljudi, osim toga što ostavljaju donacije, mogu da vam pošalju novac preko PayPala ili neki drugi način?
Da, mogu da nam pošalju novac i putem PayPala. Link za PayPal je zooplanet.niš@gmail.com.
So they can send money, donations to PayPal account, and the email is zooplanet.niš@gmail.com.
Okay, and this information that you just shared with us, can it be found on their website, and what is their website?
Da li informacije mogu se nađu na websajtu i koji je website?
Naravno, sve informacije o našem programu, svemu što mi radimo, čak i šta sve mogu da doniraju, mogu da nađu putem našeg web sajta www.zooplanet.org.rs.
All the information can be found on the website about donations, about what they do, the animals, and the website is www.zooplanet.org.rs.
Okay, friends, I will put the link to the website down in the description box, and I'll also put it here on the video. One more quick question: as far as social media, how can people connect with you? Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any sort of things like that?
Kako ljudi mogu sa vama se povežu na Facebook, Instagram ili Twitter?
Link za Facebook, Instagram i Twitter je @zooplanetniš.
So there is a link for all three of them. It's @zooplanetniš.
Okay, perfect. Guys, thank you so much. This is my first time ever riding a horse.
Thank you.
My guy, you're pretty strong for a skinny dude. Friends, if you guys could come out and support these guys, if you live in Serbia, it's well worth the drive. You guys saw the animals. Real fun, man. Thanks, Bonnie.
Thank you very much. See ya.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.